Okay, time to work on the next page. Let's see where we're at. Here we go. And let's pick a pocket for today. Let's go with this one that's got some color to it. And let's see what we've got. Purple, a little bit of blue, one of those bicycle stickers. So this one says, "The wild is hidden in the wild." That's going to be our quote, apparently, for this one. So, just trying to get an idea of a layout here. And I'm going to use this bicycle sticker down at the bottom since I pulled it. Apparently it's going to be in a couple of pieces. Nope, it's all in one. Okay. Let me put the little Be Happy bird on here somewhere too. Just because. I'm going to have to pull some more of the greens in. I don't really come into this with a plan, so. And I have way too many things pulled to fit on this page. Let me layer this one right up there too, because that is super pretty. And it pulls more of that purple back in. These little wildflowers. Let's see what I've got for some washies. What else do I want to use? This is going to have a lot of edge to it. And I don't love all that edging. Use this butterfly sticker down in the corner. I'm going to layer in this stamp. I'm getting too linear here. Too neat and orderly. So I don't think I'm going to use anything else that I'd had pulled. So I'm going to go take a peek real quick and see what else I find. Okay, so I have these little wood bits. And one happens to be a bicycle. And there's a butterfly down here. So I think we'll go ahead and pull those in. Rather than trying to find any more stickers or anything else. I feel like I need some pop of color under here. So, ouch. Actually, I'm going to run that stamp right over that. And maybe I'll pull in another one of these in just a second. Or a couple of these, I should say. There's some bigger ones, some smaller ones. And I'm just going to pull in a little bit of bling, because I like those flat, shimmery ones. So, I think I am just about done. I wish this was a little bit smaller. But I think I'm going to call this good, or almost good. And a little more washy, just one more little strip right here. I apparently lost these in plain sight. So that's going to be it for this one. And I will see you next week with our next page. I love it. It's almost time for me to put some more sets together. I think I have 2 left, so soon we'll refill this.